Hello traders. In this video I am taking a look at Axis Capital. It's a multi-signal algorithmic expert advisor listed on the MQL5 Marketplace. And if you are looking for a free Forex robot for MT4 or MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, just check the link in the description below. Okay, so one important thing right away is the supplied marketplace information places Axis Capital under the MT5 experts section. So I can confirm MT5 support from the information provided, but I don't really see explicit MT4 compatibility in the listing. Okay, so I won't assume that it supports MT4. But anyways, the EA is developed by NES Technology, and the current version shown here is 2.4, with the listing updated on the 4th of August 2026. It currently shows 5 activations. Okay, so the listing describes Axis Capital as a multi-signal algorithmic EA designed for traders interested in automated trading on indices and gold. All right. The main idea is that one instance of the EA runs 3 independent signal engines in parallel. All right, with each one tuned to a particular session window. And looking at the core features, the first thing that stands out is the smart grid recovery system. According to the developer, it uses progressive distance and lot step adjustments when the market moves against a signal. That is important because grid and recovery logic can increase exposure during adverse price movement. So this isn't a feature that I'll treat casually. All right, so the EA also includes what the developer calls drawdown reduction logic. Okay, it can pair winning and losing positions and close them together when a combined break-even level is reached. All right, so there is also virtual trailing and break-even functionality, which the listing says operates without exposing those stops directly to the broker. For risk control, Axis Capital provides 3 risk tiers. Okay, we have the high, medium, and low. These affect the entry gating, with the higher risk option allowing more aggressive re-entry, while the lower risk approach is described as more conservative. So there is also a control panel showing information such as live equity, floating PL, floating P&L, position count, today's closed P&L, trade count, peak profit, and maximum drawdown. The panel also gives you buttons to buy only, sell only, pause the EA, or close all positions. Another interesting addition is the manual trading mode, which includes a lot sizer and quick buy and sell buttons. Okay, so moving into how the strategy works, the developer says the 3 signal modes use different combinations of trend, volume, and momentum indicators. Each mode operates within its own session window, and once a position is open, the management layer handles grid, scaling, overlap recovery, and trailing protection until the trading cycle closes or is manually controlled. So for the recommended setup, the listing specifies XAUUSD or gold on the M5 time frame. Okay, it recommends an ECN or cent account for optimal spread, minimum equity of $1,000, with a cent account recommended for testing, and leverage of 1:500 or higher. A VPS is also recommended for 24-hour operation. All right, so the settings give you control over risk type, lot size, and grid increments, grid distance and multiplier, overlap, reduction thresholds, take profit, trailing, and break-even settings. Now, as for performance, the supplied marketplace information does not provide specific historical performance figures, for me to independently assess here. Okay, so I won't attach numbers or make claims that are not supported by the listing. But from these images here, I can see that some monthly analytics were provided here. You can see August 2024, September, October, November, December, all 2024, and this is for 2024, 2025, and 2026. All right, okay, this is 2025 info, and then we have the 2026 info here. So basically, this seems to be showing the monthly gains. This seems to be showing the monthly gains. Okay, these images. All right, but we don't have a detailed backtest report actually displayed here. Okay. But overall, Axis Capital has a fairly feature-rich design, particularly around automated position management and user controls. And at the same time, the developer highlights, the risks associated with its grid and recovery logic, including the possibility of increased exposure during adverse conditions. So based strictly on the marketplace information, this is an MT5 EA focused on XAUUSD using 3 signal engines and a fairly involved recovery and position management system. So whether that approach fits your trading style is something that you would need to determine for yourself. Historical or simulated results, where available, should never be treated as a guarantee of future performance, and live execution can vary depending on spreads, slippage, broker conditions, and settings. Okay, so now we're just going to briefly look at a historical, backtest results. And I tested the Axis Capital on XAUUSD on the M5 time frame as recommended, and I tested over the past about 8 months. And we can see that from the results, the initial deposit is $10,000, but the total net profit was negative $2,626.44. So that means that about 26% of the account was lost. Okay, and here I can see that the balance drawdown maximal was 32.44%, which is high. Equity drawdown maximal 31.45%, which is high. All right, and then total trades taken were 651, out of which 439 were profitable, giving us a 67.43% win rate. Okay, so the win rate is actually good. Okay, but when you look at the average profit, $5.05, average loss $22.84. This tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is very bad. Okay, and then when you look at the trade history, the trades seem to be back-to-back kind of pattern. You can see back-to-back trades being executed. Intervals doesn't seem to be so wide. This is the 5 minutes time frame, don't forget. Okay, and the trades are basically held for just a short period of time before they are closed. Okay, so as always, I'll recommend doing your own research and testing an EA carefully on a demo account before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.